who decided on the lineup? So, ang dami nyo kasi. Ang daming pwede. Ang daming
Oo.
pwede.
Hindi ko sure kung sino talaga, but nung nilapit sa akin, yung naging concept pala ng show is really the second and third album lineup. So sabi nila, ito lang yun. Kasi tinanong, wala rin ako expectation eh. Ito ba ay 30th anniversary show? Kasi 30th anniversary namin ngayon. Or something else. Ngayon nga, ang daming naging members. And then, sabi nila, ito lang yung focus itong show na to. So, yung lineup ng second and third album.
Why was not Perf involved?
Siguro kasi nga yun talaga yung gusto nilang scope
Nung
of lineup wise. Kasi ang dami rin eh. So, hindi ko alam, early on pa lang sinabi na sa akin na kayong apat lang.
Okay.
And then
Nakausap mo ba si Perf during all of this? Siyempre, madaming lumalabas online and some of it are true, some of it are not true. Did you talk to Perf?
Hindi pa. Oo. Hindi ko pa nakausap si Perf.
How about the